Okay, this is the male configuration of the yoke, and we now need to do the female. But you'll notice from the drawings the only difference I've spoken about before is that this male part is different to the female part. Female part as a whole, as this has a spike that comes out the top. Now we can do this by using what they call a configuration. So if you go to your design tree and you come along to the middle one, it says configuration manager. So I click on configuration manager and you see there it's got default part 3. I'm going to change that name. Okay, if it does it in a second. Double click, I'm going to put that in as yoke male. Then click away. And from there, right hand click, and it says add derived configuration. So it's using all the same parts, and I'm going to call this yoke female. Just green tick. Okay. If I go down there, you'll know that female part is there, even though I missed the E out. So if I go onto there, I go back to my design tree. Okay, and if I just push that up, okay, what I'm going to do, I probably should have done this the other way around, but I'll just show you one way to do this. So this is the female part that we are looking at. So I'm actually going to take that off. So if I go to there, and if I suppress that, going back to there, I don't want to do that. I should be able to move this, but if I hide that part, is it going to do the same? Yes. Okay. To do the female one, I will cut that off. So if I go to sketch, I'm sketching that plane. Okay. And I am going to convert entities. Convert that top one, and then features, extrude cut. Okay, reverse that through, just take it all the way through and delete. So I'm back to square one. I'm now going to sketch on that top surface. I'm going to put another circle in. From there, open it out a little bit, select and put a dimension in. You have to look at the paperwork again, and that is a diameter of 9.53. Okay, and go to features and extrude cut. Going all the way through. Okay, and I now have that hole on there. So that is there in terms of configuration. So I'll just I'll save that file, save as. And I'll put in, just put in yoke, and I'll put in male and female, just to make sure we know what's going on. So if I then go back to my configuration manager, and I double click on the male part, it comes back, and you can see no hole through. So I can now use that or save that out as a separate part, or if I double click on that one, it disappears. So you now have two parts in the same body.